Hi, my name is Kenny Safford, and I'm lead design for Mechanix. Over 30 years ago, Mechanix basically invented the performance glove category. We brought in a glove called the Original. What that did was it protected hands that were working on cars, that were doing DIY projects, that were hardworking hands. The military version of that glove carries on in that heritage. What we've done is to develop and isolate features that the tactical version, the tactical customer might appreciate. The carbon-infused palm, very high in dexterity, very high in abrasion resistance, tear, cut, puncture, very high ratings on all those. Touchscreen capable for the life of the glove. Never wears out, doesn't wash out. It works very well in all conditions, hot, cold, wet, never fades. The back of the glove features TrekDry. What TrekDry is it's a wicking material. Pulls moisture from your body, exposes that moisture to the outer layers of the material where the air can cool it and dry it. What that does is it keeps your hands a little bit cooler, keeps them a lot drier, and it keeps blistering to a minimum. The tactical version of the Original glove, I'm very proud of it. This is something that we've worked on for a very long time, and I know that if you use these gloves, to protect, they will protect you.